Today we will discuss accounting principles from chapter 3. Meaning of accounting principles. Accounting principles refers to the rules and actions adopted by the accountant. Various rules and actions are adopted by accountants so that they can record accounting transactions in chronological order or in a systematic order. And these rules and actions are adopted globally. Why? For recording accounting transactions. Basically, these are of two types, concepts and convention. Unlike in the past, when accounting statements were largely needed by the proprietor, these days the accounting statements are needed by various parties who have vested interest in the business, namely proprietors, investors, creditors, government, and others. Accounting statements disclose what? Disclose profitability and solvency of the business to various parties. It is necessary that such statements should be prepared according to some standard language and standard rules. And on the basis of these rules and on the basis of this standard language, accountants record accounting transactions. And these rules are generally known as GAAP. GAAP means generally accepted accounting principles. These principles have been generally accepted by accountants all over the world as journal guidelines. What I am saying here, journal guidelines for preparing the accounting statements. Now, some essential features of accounting principles. Accounting principles are acceptable if they satisfy the following norms. First, relevance or usefulness. A principle will be relevant only if it satisfies the needs of those who use it. If I use that accounting principle, it means the information provided in that account should be relevant. The accounting principle should be able to provide useful information to users, otherwise, it will not serve the purpose. Principle is relevant if it results in information that is useful to the users of accounting information. Next, objectivity. A principle will be said to be objective if it is based on facts and figures. There should not be a scope for personal biasness or judgment of those who furnish the information. Objectivity implies verifiability, where facts and figures are verified, which means that there is some way of finding out the truthfulness or correctness of information reported. If principle can be influenced by personal bias and whims of users, it will not be an objective principle and its usefulness will be limited. The cost principle will be more useful than the value principle because value will be based on market prices and personal judgment will differ in finding out the value. Basically, whims over here unusual for the user. Now, feasibility. It can be applied without undue complexity or cost. The accounting principles should be practicable. The principles should be easy to use. Otherwise, their utility will be limited. While showing fixed assets in the balance sheet, it will be more feasible to take cost less depreciation. If assets are shown on market value or replacement cost basis, then it will involve difficulties and different persons will take different values because market prices go on changing every time. That's why this is the next feature of feasibility. Basically, Accounting principles are not static and bound to change with the passage of time in response to changes in business practices, government policies, and needs of the users of accounting information. These principles are man-made principles basically, and there are uniform set of rules or guidelines developed to ensure uniformity and easy understanding of accounting information. Generally, GAAP are common set of accounting rules and standards that dictate how financial statements are prepared. GAAP only tell us how we prepare accounting statements because various rules and principles are set in GAAP. Public companies, NPO, non-profit organization, and the government entities are required to prepare financial statements in accordance with the GAAP. These guidelines were developed over time by the Financial Accounting Standard Board and AICPA, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Full form of GAAP, FASB and AICPA is very much important according to 1 marks. Revise it. Thank you so much.